Should I wear this backwards? Is it less snowman-y? Ah! Hey everyone, I'm Claire. We're in the VA test kitchen and today I'll be making gourmet Four Loko. I know nothing about Four Loko. I've never heard of it until now. I think I may have seen a can like this lying around on the subway. Yeah, that's about all I know about Four Loko. Well, the first thing I see is government warning, so that can't be a good sign. Oh, but it's just the generic government warning that's on all alcoholic beverages. So let's crack it open, shall we? Ooh, smell that artificial watermelon flavoring. Oh my god, it smells like a Jolly Rancher. Do I try it? Should I try it? Ugh. Oh, holy shit, that hits you a few seconds afterwards. Only 12% alcohol by volume. I mean, 12%. I think that's a lot. I don't know. Well, now it's time for my favorite part, guessing the ingredients. Alcohol, more alcohol. It literally just says alcohol facts. There we go. Oh. It bubbles like crazy at the top, so there's a ton of carbonation, and then if you look at the cross section here, you can see that it's definitely liquid. With that information, we can come back tomorrow, really dive into the flavors and the recipe, and we'll see if we can make a gourmet Four Loko. Okay, it's day 2. We're back. I feel like I kind of have an idea of how to do it. This is Tito's. I'm only going to use a splash of this because I don't want to waste it. It's good stuff. And then really to give it that burn, I have this boric acid that you use to kill roaches and ants. Just a little bit, just to kind of give you that burn effect. I've also got this window cleaner, and we'll do some of that as well. I'm just going to spray some in there because I'm not going to go crazy with it. We do use this to clean the test kitchen, so I'm not going to use too much here, just a little bit. I'm just going to add a dash of lemon and lime to it to give it that citrusy flavor. Okay, great. So the water has been boiling over here for so long that it has now turned pink. I think that means it's ready. I think that we can add this to our alcohol base and start making a cocktail. So I'm just going to take a small measuring cup and get some of this pink watery goodness. I'm actually having more fun making this than I thought I would. I was really dreading this today. I woke up and wrote in my diary that I didn't want to go to work today and I was probably going to quit. But this is actually turning out to be a lot of fun. So I'm excited. I mean, it smells pretty much like death. So the only thing to do is just taste it and see how it goes. I mean, you definitely still get that burning sensation. It doesn't taste good. And now that Four Loko tastes good, but like the goal of the show is to make things taste good, taste better. And I really thought that this would taste better. So yeah, that's kind of upsetting, but I feel like we can come back day 3, really knock it out, maybe put more poison in, just kind of more of everything. Okay, it's day 3. We're still trying to make Four Loko. There's no day 3 curse. There's no, there's no day 3 curse. But if this goes into day 4, I quit. So I saved some of the water mixture from yesterday. I think that that's going to be a good starting point, and we're just going to do more of everything. One of the things that I was actually missing, that I can admit was a mistake, was carbon dioxide and like a bubbleness, like a fizz to it. We've got baking soda, and we'll just do whatever I have left of baking soda. Whoa! And that's fizzing. Chemistry. It's cool. See, I knew that I was supposed to do that. I knew that was supposed to happen. So we'll add some sugar, but nothing too crazy. Just like, just a good amount of sugar to really amp up that sweetness. I got my lemons and limes from yesterday that we used. But I feel like we were still missing some citrus flavor and some citrus punch of that. So I'm just going to toss them in halved like this. I'm going to set the oven to broil, or no, 550. Oh, there's no room. Brad made a cast iron last week and left it in the oven. I'll leave it in there for a couple of hours and we'll check on it a little bit later today. It's been 3 hours. It's 8:30. It's past my bedtime, so it's time to check on this. It's been at 550 since we left it, so pull this out. Oh man. You really get hit with the pungent scent as soon as you pull it out of the oven, which I think is a really good sign. I'm just going to top it off with a little bit more Windex. This time I am going to open the bottle, I won't be shy. And you may have noticed that this version actually doesn't have alcohol in it. I feel like for as much as Four Loko claims to say it has alcohol, I don't think it actually does. I am, however, going to use more roach and ant killer because I think that that might be the primary ingredient. That's what it tastes like. Like when you smell roach and ant killer, you're like, oh man, Four Loko. So little spritz there, a little floater, if you will. We have our second batch. I'm feeling really good about this. Mostly poison, no alcohol. So I'm gonna take a taste really quick. Oh God. Yeah, I nailed it. I pretty much nailed it. So I have another one prepared in case anybody wants to come and congratulate me on nailing it. Brad.
Hey, what's going on? Over here.
Brad, you want to come try this? It's a Four Loko. It's essentially poison.
Yeah, that's not bad. It's not horrible. It's horrible. I don't want to super what do you want to do?
It's day 4, and I never thought we'd get here, because I definitely thought that this would be a one and done kind of situation. But it's proving to be more complicated than I thought. But yesterday I went home and I had a breakdown and then I had a breakthrough. And I thought that maybe the thing that's been missing all along has been like, you know, the things that make a good drink good. We're gonna start from scratch and see if I can make this thing for real. We grab our vodka again. That's not bad. The tonic really helps to like sweeten it and balance it out. And there is some bitterness in the aftertaste, but it's not crazy. I'm just gonna do a wedge of lime here. All right, I'm just gonna do a quick squeeze. Do a little bit on the rim here and drop it in. Oh my God. Morocco. You want to try this? Chris, you want to try this?
It's great. This is so good, Claire. You did it. This is awesome.
Really, stop. No.
It's like citrusy and bright, but like in the best way. Oh, you really did great. Good job.
Here's how you make a gourmet Four Loko. Step 1, make a vodka tonic. Step 2, enjoy. In conclusion, Four Lokos are gross, but if you want a drink, you should try a vodka tonic instead. Bon Appetit. I hit my teeth. Bon Appetit. Claire, is this what you're making today?